Dear friends, welcome to Wings to Win channel. Today, under mind management positivism, I am going to talk about mind mapping. Such a beautiful topic, right? Mind mapping. Mind mapping is a diagram used to visually organizing information. Mind map is a tool for brain. It helps to think, collect knowledge, remember, create idea. So if you are good at mind mapping, definitely you'll be a good thinker, better thinker. You may consider as best thinker also. So okay. Now we'll move into our program. I have taken a piece of lesson from marketing management. Okay. So before entering into the topic, I'll be telling what is mind mapping, how you have to draw a picture based on mind mapping. First, you have to write a main topic. Okay. So this is what marketing environment. Today I am going to draw a picture or mind mapping about marketing environment. Okay. The main topic is marketing environment. Afterwards, I have created branches. What are the branches here? The first one is micro environment. The next branch is macro environment. Okay. Afterwards, I have created subtopics. Okay. So here you could easily visualize subtopics under micro environment. What are all the subtopics here? Company, then competitors, marketing intermediaries, then public, suppliers, customers. So these are all the subtopics created by using mind mapping technique. Now next, here one more branch is here, that is macro environment. Within that, demographic, technological environment, legal environment, cultural environment, right? Then natural environment, political environment, economic environment. Okay. So these are all the subtopics, right? Maybe we can branch out more topics from the subtopics as well. Okay. See, our core topic is marketing environment. So first branch out is what? Micro environment. There the first subtopic is company. So when we talk about company, the few branches are growing out: top management, middle management, bottom management, then different departments. Next is competitors. Here one picture also drawn. Okay. So mind mapping techniques mostly concentrated on pictures as well as branches, then colors. You can use different colors also. Here business competitors. Then marketing intermediaries. There also one picture is drawn. So again branching out like agents, brokers, wholesalers, retailers. Next is public. Among that, finance, media, government, local, general. So different population, maybe different groups may be identified. Next is suppliers. There also you can see pictures. Goods and services. Suppliers, they can supply goods and services, raw materials. Then customer markets, business market, reseller markets, government markets, international markets. So here under mind mapping, marketing environment is the core topic. Their micro environment is explained in terms of mind mapping. Here you could see another branch, macro environment. Already the first branch is discussed. Further branching out you could see from demographics, age, gender, occupation, qualification, income. Then from technological, information technology, computers, telecommunication, electronics and other latest invents. Then legal means government acts, policies, judicial systems. Then cultural, maybe talks about values, beliefs, perception. Then preferences. Then natural environment deals with raw materials or shortage of raw materials. Then increased pollution. Then policies, government policies. Political environment, it talks about political parties, country's stability, government agencies. Then economic environment, maybe it talks about stagnation, recession, inflation, country's growth. So these are all additional branches, okay, coming out from the subtopics. My dear friends, here macro environment, actually from marketing environment it is branched out. Then here you could see macro environment. Then further subtopics, demographics. Further branching out is age, gender, occupation, qualification, income. Here also you could see a few pictures. Then colors also used. My dear friends, this is an example for mind mapping. Thanks for watching Wings to Win. Subscribe Wings to Win.